Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. The cabin crew will come around in about 10 minutes with dinner. Sit back and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Excuse me, Miss Jones. Before we begin our dinner service, may I ask if you requested vegetarian meals for this flight?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Would you like seafood pasta or chicken and rice?
Seafood pasta, please.
Here you go. Would you like anything to drink? We have coffee, tea, and juice.
Yes, I would. I'd like coffee, please.
Be careful, it's hot.
Excuse me, would it be possible to get a cup of water?
Certainly. Please wait a moment.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.